Hello students, in the last class we were discussing about new profit sharing ratio, right? New profit sharing ratio means the ratio in which the continuing partners are going to share the future profits after the retirement or a death of a partner. ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಆ ರೇಷಿಯೋವನ್ನು ನಾವು ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ us study about that. Case 1. So when only old ratio is given, so when only old ratio, that means old profit sharing ratio between the partner is given, how to calculate new profit sharing ratio? Example, see, A, B and C are the partners in the firm. And they are sharing profits in the ratio, sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2:1. If A retires, what is the new profit sharing ratio? So here only old profit sharing ratio between the partners is given. So the old partners are A, B and C. So the ratio is old ratio 3:2:1. That means 3 divided by 6, 2 divided by 6 and 1 divided by 6. And the information is given that A retires from the firm. So now we need to calculate new profit sharing ratio, right? When new profit sharing ratio is not given, what is the new profit sharing ratio? So no information is given, just the old profit sharing ratio is given. Then you need to consider the remaining ratio itself is the new profit sharing ratio among B and C. So here A retired, because of that his share is totally excluded, remaining is 2:1. That's why the new profit sharing ratio between the new partner is 2:1. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್, ರೈಟ್? ಯಾವಾಗ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರ ಶೇರನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರದ್ದು ಶೇರನ್ನು ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್, ರೈಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ 1. ನೌ ಕೇಸ್ 2. ಸೊ ಕೇಸ್ 2, when old ratio as well as share gained is given. So what do you mean by this? So old ratio among the partners will be given, along with that share gained is given. That means, for example, if there are 3 partners A, B and C, so they are sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2:1. So now when A retires means these 2 continuing partners need to obtain their new profit sharing ratio. Along with that there should be a gain ratio, right? So this retiring partner share will be gained by this partner as well as this. That means B and C is going to gain the share of A. So what is the share of A? A's share is 3 and it will be gained by B and C. So in which ratio? So that will be mentioned. Means they will not be giving a gain ratio. ಅವರು gain ratio ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. How much is the share gained? ಸೊ ಅವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎ, that information will be given. So how to calculate new profit sharing ratio in this situation? So in this situation what you need to do? Simple. You need to use the formula old share plus share gained. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವರು ಗೇನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಶೇರ್ ಗೇನ್ಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ದೆನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಶೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಗೇನ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಶೇರ್ ಗೇನ್ಡ್ ಬೇರೆ, ಗೇನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಬೇರೆ. ಸೊ ಶೇರ್ ಗೇನ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೇನಿಂಗ್. Gain ratio means the ratio in which they are distributing this share of retiring partner. So gain ratio andre for example 1:1. So ಈ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ gain ratio is different from share gained. Gain ratio means, so it is a ratio in which the retiring partner share is gained or distributed among remaining partner. Share gained is a what? Amount which is obtained or the share which is obtained. So that is different. So here take the example, okay? M, N and O are partners. Their profit sharing ratio is 4:3:2. So this is their profit sharing ratio. Here N retires from the firm. Okay, N means this particular person retires from the firm. So they have given, they gained. So this is what? The share which is gained by M and O from N in the ratio 2/9:1/9. So in fraction form they have given. So now what we need to do in order to find out new profit sharing ratio of M and O, we need to apply the formula, right? Because old profit sharing ratio they have given, right? And that is 4/9, 3/9, 2/9 is the old profit sharing ratio. So now what is the old share of M? So this is the formula. So now we are calculating new profit sharing ratio of M. So old share of M is 4/9, right? So now add whatever the share which he has gained. So 2/9 share gained by M, add that. So here add this, then go for, so now we obtained 6/9 as a new profit sharing ratio of M. Then next new profit sharing ratio of next partner is O, right? Okay, what is his old share? So this is his old share 2/9. What is his share gained? This one 1/9. So this is what 3/9 is his new profit sharing ratio. Therefore write new profit sharing ratio. Therefore new profit sharing ratio of M and O is, what is the amount? 6/9:3/9, or we can simplify this, right? So this one we can write it as 2:1. Okay, this is the simplified. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದು 3ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬೋತ್, ರೈಟ್? ಬೋತ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಬೇರೆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಆಫ್ M and O? 2:1. ಓಕೆ, so this is the second case where old profit sharing ratio is given, along with that share gained is given. So we need to calculate what? New profit sharing ratio by using formula. Okay, now third case. So case 3 says what? So in case 3, when old ratio as well as gain ratio is given. So ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಶೇರ್ ಗೇನ್ಡ್ ಕೊಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರೇನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ರೇಷಿಯೋಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಅವರು ರಿಟೈರಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ನ ಶೇರನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆ ರೇಷಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್? ಸೊ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಶೇರ್ ಗೇನ್ಡ್. So how to calculate share gained? So the formula to calculate share gained is, they'll give gain ratio, right? Gain ratio into retiring partner's share. So this is the formula. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಗೇನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು ಅಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಗೇನ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ they'll inform, right, which partner is retiring. So you'll get to know the information related to retiring partner share, then you'll get the gain ratio. So if you are multiplying, then you'll get the share gained. So after that, what you need to do? You need to go for calculating new profit sharing ratio. What is the formula? Old ratio plus share gain. So this is the formula. Understood, right? Okay. Now let us see one example for this particular case. Okay. A, B and C are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2:1. So here they have given the information about who is retiring. Here B retires from the firm. Now B's share is acquired by A and C in 2:1 ratio. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಏನು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ, read the question carefully. They are informed here, right? B retires from the firm, correct? B's share is acquired by A and C in 2:1 ratio. ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಯಾರು ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ? B, right? That means 2/6. So his share is acquired by whom? Remaining partner A and C, in which ratio? 2:1. So that means this particular information is about gain ratio, correct? So now what we need to do? Write the information which is given. ಏನೆಲ್ಲ information ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So the old profit sharing ratio of A, B and C. So what is that? 3/6, 2/6 and 1/6. So this particular person is retiring, okay? Then they have given gain ratio of A and C, that is 2/3:1/3. So now first step is to calculate share gained. So share gained by A. So what is the formula? So formula is gain ratio of A. So gain ratio of A, gain ratio into retiring partner's share, correct? So gain ratio here of A is 2/3 of, or 2/3 into retiring partner share 2/6. So what is the answer? 2 2s are 4, correct? So multiply this, numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. So you are getting 4/18 as a share gained of A. So next calculate share gained by C. So what is his gain ratio here given, right? 1/3 into retiring partner share 2/6. 2 1s are 2, 3 6 are 18. So we got share gained. So now we can go for calculating new profit sharing ratio. So calculate new profit sharing ratio, that is old share plus share gained. So we are calculating new profit sharing ratio of A. So what is his old share? In the formula, in the given information it is written old share is 3/6. So write 3/6 plus share gain we have already calculated of A, 4/18. So go for calculating LCM, okay. So what is the LCM of this? 6 as well as 18. So you are getting LCM as 18 only. 6 threes are right. So 3 threes are 9. So 18 ones are 18. 4 into 1, 4. So you are getting 13/18 as a new profit sharing ratio of A. Then go for calculating new profit sharing ratio of C. So what is his old share? It is given 1/6. So 1/6 plus what is his share gain? 2/18. 2/18. So LCM is 18. 6 threes are 18. 1 threes are 3 plus 18 ones are 18. So 2 ones are 2. So 5/18. Right? So new profit sharing ratio of A and C is therefore, okay, don't forget to mention therefore new profit sharing ratio of A and C is 13/18 is to 5/18 or 13:5. So this is the way in which we need to solve this particular problem. So they may ask this question for 6 mark. Okay. Let us solve one exercise problem. Okay. Lata, Abhishek and Apeksha are partners. Okay. Sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3/8, 1/2 and 1/8. So you know when the ratio what profit sharing ratios are given in a fraction form, you need to calculate in a ratio form. Okay. Then so here who retires? Lata retires and surrenders 2/3 of her share. So 2/3 of share she surrenders in favor of Abhishek and remaining in favor of Apeksha. So calculate new profit sharing ratio. So read the question carefully. So here Lata, Abhishek and Apeksha are the partners. So their share is given in a fraction form. So we need to calculate in a ratio form. Then Lata is retiring. That means Abhishek and Apeksha are continuing in the firm. Okay. So now what happens? Lata retires and surrenders 2/3 of her share in favor of Abhishek. So 2/3 is given to Abhishek. So here what? Gain ratio is already given. So there is no need of calculating gain ratio. So we need to calculate what? Share gained. Why? Because the information says, see, retiring partner is surrendering her 2/3 of share to Abhishek and remaining to Apeksha. That means, so 2/3 she is surrendering to Abhishek. Correct? So what is remaining? Out of 3, out of whole share 3, 2/3 she is surrendering. That means now 1/3 is given to Apeksha. So they are sharing Lata's share between Abhishek and Apeksha in 2:1 ratio. So that means what? Given information is gain ratio. So what is the gain ratio? 2/3:1/3. So you people understood, right, how you got 1/3? Because the information says 2/3 ಅಂದರೆ ಮೂರರಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಪಾಲು ಅಭಿಷೇಕಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಭಾಗ ಬಾಕಿ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? So 2:1 is the gain ratio. Correct, right? Then other information is what? Old profit sharing ratio. What is that? In a fraction form it is given, right? So let us calculate the old profit sharing ratio in ratio form. So write that 3/8, 1/2, 1/8. So calculate the LCM. So just calculate. 2 4s are 8, right? 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So 4 1s are 4. So 2 4s are 8. So LCM is 8, correct? 8 1s are 8. That means 3 1s are 3. 2 4s are 8. That means 1 4s are 4. 8 1s are 8. So 1 1s are 1. So 3:4:1 is the what? Old profit sharing ratio among partners. So old profit sharing ratio is 3/8, 4/8, 1/8. Now which partner is retiring? Lata is retiring, right? So now what we need to do? We need to calculate share gained by Abhishek. So let us calculate. What is the formula? So gain ratio into retiring partners share. So what is the gain ratio of Abhishek? 2:1 means 2/3 alva, 2/3 into retiring partner share 3/8. So this is the share gained by Abhishek, that is 6/24, correct? Okay. Now share gained by Apeksha. So her gain ratio is 1/3 is to old partner's share, retiring share 3/8. So 3/24 is the share gained by Apeksha. Now next step is calculation of new profit sharing ratio of Abhishek. What is the formula? Old share plus share gained, correct? So what is the old share? Old share is 4/8. Share gained is 6/24. So what is the LCM? LCM is 24. So 8 3s are 24, 4 3s are 12. 24 1s are, that means 6 1s are 6. So now we got 18 divided by 24. Okay, next. New profit sharing ratio of Apeksha. So what is the old share of Apeksha? So it is given, right? 1/8 plus share gained 3/24. So LCM is 24. 8 3s are means 1 3s are 3. 24 1s are, that means 3 1s are 3. So 6/24. So this can be simplified, right? Means when both equation we can simplify, then we can go for simplification. So now we got new profit sharing ratio as 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. That's why new profit sharing ratio of Abhishek and Apeksha is 3 by 4 is to 1 by 4 or 3 is to 1. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, there is a one homework problem for you. Please take a note of that. Naveen, Suresh and Tarun are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 5:3:2. Suresh retires, that means second partner retires from the firm and his share is acquired by Naveen and Tarun in the ratio 2:1. So here what? Old profit sharing ratio is there as well as gain ratio is there. So what you people need to do? Go for calculating share gained as well as new profit sharing ratio. Okay. So that is the homework problem. Okay. Now let us solve another problem. So another problem. Vidya, Sandhya and Lata and Sudha. So 4 partners are there. Sudha are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2:1:4. Vidya retires and her share is acquired by Sandhya and Lata in the ratio 3:2. So calculate new profit sharing ratio and gain ratio. So here 2 question is asked. Okay, so what you people need to do, just go through this question. So Vidya, Sandhya, Lata and Sudha are the partners, that means 4 partners are there, so their whole profit sharing ratio is given. Okay, now Vidya retires and her share is acquired by only Sandhya and Lata. So that means what? Sudha is not getting any share. So in the ratio ratio of 3:2. So now we need to calculate new profit sharing ratio. So here 3:2 is what? 3:2 is a gain ratio. So we need to calculate share gained. So given information should be written first. Given old profit sharing ratio, that is 3 by 10, 2 by 10, 1 by 10 and 4 by 10, correct? So this is the old profit sharing ratio. Now Vidya retires. So Vidya's share is what? This one, right? Vidya retires. Okay, now their gain ratio is given, correct? Which is acquired by Sandhya and Lata. What is that? 3 by 5:2 by 5, correct? So this much information is there. Now what we need to do is we need to calculate new profit sharing ratio, right? Before that we need to go for calculating share gained. So this is the gain ratio. So we need to go for calculating share gained by partner Sandhya. Formula is gain ratio into retiring partner's share. So what is the gain ratio? 3 by 5 of retiring partners 3 by 10. So this is the share gain by Sandhya. Okay, now next, share gained by next partner is Lata, right? So here we are not going to calculate the share gained by Sudha because the information is given. Only two partners are gaining the share of the retiring partner. So Sudha is not gaining, so no need to calculate her share gained. Okay, share gained by Lata. What is share gain? Gain ratio 2/5 into old retiring partner share 3/10. So this is the share gained, correct? Okay. Now we need to calculate what? New profit sharing ratio. So what is the formula of calculating new profit sharing ratio? Old share plus share gained. So here we need to calculate both, means Sandhya's, Lata's as well as Sudha's profit we need to calculate. So here Sandhya's new profit sharing ratio. So what is her old share? Sandhya's old share is 2/10 plus share gained, this one 9/50. So what is the LCM? 50, right? So 10 5s are 50, that means 2 5s are 10, then 50 ones are 50, that means 9 ones are 9. So 19/50. Okay, then next partner is whom? Lata, right? What is old share of Lata? 1/10. Then share gained 6/50. LCM 50. So 10 5s are, that means 1 5s are 5 plus 50 ones are means 6 ones are 6. That means 11 divided by 50. Now share gained by last partner Sudha. Correct? Sudha's new profit sharing ratio. So not here Sudha's old ratio is there. Whether we calculated her share gain? No, because there is no gain ratio given. That means her old ratio itself is a new ratio. That means 4/10. So now all the denominators are 50. So here 50, here also 50. So we need to convert this to 50. So 10 5s are 50 means 4 5s are 20. 20 divided by 50. So the new profit sharing ratio is 19:11:20. Okay. Now there is another question, right? In this only they have asked to calculate new profit sharing ratio as well as gain ratio. So gain ratio of whom? Sandhya and Lata only. So what is the gain ratio? So we have already calculated this one, 9/50 and 6/50. So let us write that. That's why, therefore, gain ratio of Sandhya and Lata. So what is the gain ratio? 9/50 so 9:6. So this can be simplified, right? 3:2. So the gain ratio of Sandhya and Lata is 3:2. So this is the manner in which you people need to solve the problem. So homework problem, I'll again show you the question. So write down. Naveen, Suresh and Tarun are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. Suresh retires from the firm and his share is acquired by Naveen and Tarun in the ratio 2:1. Now calculate new profit sharing ratio. So this is your homework problem. If you are having any doubt, please ask me.